Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to fund your Bluevine accounts with Stripe. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your Stripe dashboard on the website. Next, navigate to balance or payouts. There you're going to select add bank account, and if you haven't linked Bluevine yet, go ahead and enter your Bluevine routing number and account number, which you can find of course on your Bluevine dashboard on the account information. Stripe may require to verify the account by sending 2 small deposits, so go ahead and confirm the exact amount in Stripe to complete the link. Once linked, go to payouts and then choose transfer to bank. Now select your Bluevine account, enter the amount and confirm. You can usually schedule automatic daily, weekly or monthly payout if desired. Check your Bluevine account on the transactions to confirm the deposit has indeed posted. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.